Hello friends, welcome to Le Homemade and thanks for joining me once again. As we are entering into the festival season, let's make something unique. As we all know, Diwali is incomplete without mithai or diyas. How about combining these both and having some fun? So let's start making these quick and easy chocolate diyas. For this, we'll require 1/4 cup of milk, 1 cup of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 5 to 6 almonds which I have soaked and then sliced them, and then I have colored it with orange food color. We are going to use this as a flame of the diyas. First, we'll take the ghee in a pan. Make sure to keep it on a low flame. Once it's melted, we'll add our milk powder and keep stirring continuously. After stirring for a few seconds, we'll add our milk. Keep stirring after adding the milk. Make sure not to leave this mixture unattended. Keep cooking this for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame till everything comes together. This is basically a recipe of a pedha which we'll form in the shape of a diya just to give that festive look. Now we'll be adding our powdered sugar to this and again stir it for 1 or 2 minutes. It looks a bit sticky at this point of time, but do not worry, it will all come together after some time. For those who are new to my channel, I have also shown some quick and easy recipes earlier. You can also check on them. I have given the link in the description box below. Now as you can see, the mixture has started leaving the pan. At this point of time, we'll reserve some mixture to make the wicks of the diyas. Because of the white color, they will resemble the actual cotton wicks in the diya. In the remaining portion, we are going to add the cocoa powder to give the brown color. We'll mix this well and cook it for another 1 or 2 minutes. So this is how it will look. So basically, once your mixture reaches this consistency, it's done. At any point, if you feel it's not coming together, you can add some more milk powder. And if it is too thick in consistency, you can adjust it by adding some milk. And if you are adding milk, just add 1 or 2 teaspoons, not much. Now I have taken it out in a bowl. We'll leave it to cool down completely at room temperature. After our mixture has cooled down, now comes the fun part of making the diyas. Just take a small portion like this, form it in the shape of a katori to resemble the diyas. Friends, before Diwali, we all are busy doing a whole lot of cleaning, shopping, etc. On such occasions, it becomes difficult for some of us to make time to prepare the sweets at home. In such times, you can prepare this recipe which is instantly ready in 10 to 15 minutes. Also, it's a very unique type of a sweet to serve your guests. And I'm sure if you make these, you'll make them certainly impressed. Our diya is done. Now let's make the wick. For that, take a small portion of the white mixture and mold it like this in the form of a wick. Once it's done, place it inside the diya in this manner. Now we'll take the slice of almond and press it against the wick to make it look like the flame of the diya. Now we'll make all the other diyas in this manner. With this recipe you will be able to make 10 to 12 diyas depending upon your size. And here our chocolate diyas are ready. So make these chocolate diyas for this festive season and amaze your friends and family with this unique homemade sweet. Wish you all a happy Diwali from Leh Homemade. So let's meet next time with yet another interesting recipe. If you do like this video, then please comment below and let me know whether this recipe was helpful for you. Until then, stay happy, keep smiling and cook homemade, cause homemade is your own made.